School safety is a big topic these days with good reason. Earlier this year, we had a training that suggested actively trying to keep an intruder out of the room, and one thing they suggested was barricading the door with heavy filing cabinets or desks, and that works well. However, as you can see here, our doors open out, so that's not going to work. So I devised this system in the case of a lockdown, and this is how it goes. A lockdown is called, and then I would go like this. Throw that out, close the door, and the gate's going to pull on it. Okay? And I can physically resist that intruder coming in. So it's either going to stop them or at the very least slow them down until help can come. So this is one active way that we in school can help to keep all of us more safe. Okay, I have my 2x4 and some rope, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole in here for the rope to go through. I have to do that first before I cut it. So. Okay, I have my miter saw here, and I'm gonna just set it at, I'm kind of eyeing it up, about 15 degrees. I'm not an expert here. And I'm gonna cut my wedge from my doorstop, is what I'm making here. And I'm gonna be careful not to cut my finger off. And here we go. I'm gonna plug it in. Then I'm gonna be careful not to cut my finger off. So we have our wedge. This is the hole that's drilled through. I recessed it there. You want to put your rope, feed it through there if you can. You may need to use a piece of coat hanger, which I usually have around. Okay. Tie a knot in the rope right there. That will prevent it from coming through. And then you pull it here, and it can withstand a lot of force. Okay? So, pretty simple idea. And there you go. So, I just made 4 of these in about 10 minutes. I'm outside on a Sunday. It's 36 degrees outside. There's snow on the ground. But I came out here and did this because, you know, you can go out and protest all you want and walk out and raise awareness, you know, and that's good. But there's a degree of satisfaction in actively using your brain, coming up with an idea, and then physically making something that's going to have some value, so that if there's ever an intruder in my school, I can put this underneath the door, and I can be on the other side of it in lockdown, pulling on this string, doing something to help keep that person out. Now, it's not 100% guaranteed by any means, but maybe it could just slow them down enough for help to get there and help keep me and my students safe. And that's something I really want to promote to students in my classes is use your brain, engineer something, make something, do something to actively help in a situation such as this. So, you know, all it takes is some 2x4s and some rope. You know, anyone can do it. Or anyone who has a chop saw can do it.